Hey guys, how are we doing? Welcome to another channel update. Today's date is the 25th of October 2024. Time now is just coming up to 10 o'clock in the morning UK time. So today we're not actually trading. We've made 4.1% this week. I haven't done a channel update for a couple of days, so if you did miss me, I do apologise. I had a couple of bits on which I needed to do. There's quite a lot of effort which has to be put into actually doing these videos and then doing all the production and making sure that everything's put up to YouTube or whatever channel it goes to. So yeah, it's today decided there's a couple of things what we need to do in regards of admin side on the AI thing, so we're going to take the opportunity to do that. And this month so far we are 22.8% up since the 1st of October, and like I say, this week we've done 4.1%. So you know, we miss a day's trading, we'll probably miss a little bit of a profit, but you know, it's a needs must. It's not been a bad month so far. Anything which makes over 10% on a monthly basis, on a regular basis, and that's, you know, on a normal trading month, that's 0.5% a day. Anything over 10% is just absolute gold dust. And if you want to join what we're doing, this is the Sakara project. All you've got to do, as I say in every video, is just follow the links below, open up your Radex Markets account. Then what you do is, once you've done that, you fund your account, and then you follow the Radex Markets social, the Sakara project, and then you can be copying the exact trades which we make. And we're, like I say, we've been doing 1% now on a regular basis for weeks and weeks, and you could be doing exactly the same. So let's just talk about what's happened this week with gold. We obviously trade gold. Gold this week has seen lots and lots of all-time highs. Actually went up all the way to $2,758, which is just incredible. So we've just seen new high. If you're looking at every dollar increment that it goes up, you know, I was calculating from 2,730 odd, somewhere around there, and then went all the way up to $2,758, which is just incredible. Then what we saw is a bit of a profit taking situation, and then the price has gone back up, and as I'm talking now, the price at this point in time is 2,719. So you know, this week has been there's very little economic news coming out this week. There's hardly anything geopolitically wise. It's been quite light on the ground, which is obviously a good thing, because obviously bombs aren't dropping, or if they are, they're not being reported as much as they have to influence the gold market over the last few weeks. So at the moment, we've still got this relentless rise on gold, where it's gone up probably $300-400 just this year. And now the question is if it's actually going to come off a little bit. I mean, it's still above $2,700 at this point in time. So we might see, depending on what happens this afternoon in the American market, we might see gold going up a little bit. People just don't want to get caught. The fear of actually holding gold on a really high basis has probably gone out of the market a little bit. So it's very, very interesting to see how this is going to play out, if it's still going to remain high for the next few weeks. Now, as I'm talking, in the next couple of weeks, we've got the run up, and then we've got the American elections. As I'm seeing it, I'm reading things and seeing what's happening on a bigger picture, not just with gold, but with cryptos and stocks and things like that. The market is pricing in a Trump win. Now, if you're watching this in the future, you might be thinking, well, that was just complete rubbish. Or I might be right. So I've got a 50-50 chance on that one. But what I'm trying to say is, with this, all the indications are that Trump is now going ahead in the polls, and people and big traders are then kind of positioning himself, looking to see a Trump win, which will be interesting to see how that plays out. But obviously with gold, who knows, it could be something, it could be the American elections which you know, eventually break this cycle of upward trend, or it could just keep on going. We just don't really know at this point in time. But the great thing is the software, it doesn't matter whichever way the gold market goes, whether it goes up or down, it will follow the market and it will book a profit. And like I say, what we're looking to do is get the 1% or thereabouts every single day. if we get 0.5%, it's not a bad day. You know, if we don't trade, it's not a bad day because we've already made the money. So I'm very, very happy with the way things are. If you've got any questions or you want to get in touch, again, my email address is in the bio just below this video, so you can get in touch. You can ask questions if you want to. It's entirely up to you. But like I say, today, no trading today. We're going to take the opportunity to do something different, and time away from the screen is always a good thing. And the weekend kind of starts here. So have a great one, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.